Squid, a beloved dish not only across Asian countries, but also around the world. But have you ever wondered about the incredible journey squid takes from the moment it's caught to when it lands on your dinner plate? The squid fishing industry plays a vital role in the global economy, with annual catches reaching up to 900,000 tons. A significant portion of that comes from Asian countries, where squid is not just a familiar dish, but also an essential part of both traditional and modern cuisine. Let's embark on an exciting journey, from the moment squids are caught to when they are processed right on board modern fishing vessels. With the help of advanced technology, fishermen today can accurately locate schools of squid using GPS and data mapping systems. These fishing boats are equipped with state-of-the-art squid jigging machines and specialized hooks, enabling the crew to harvest squid quickly and efficiently, turning every trip into a promising adventure. The work begins as the fishing hooks are lowered into the water, carrying enticing bait to attract squids to swim closer. Once the squids are hooked, the crew starts hauling in the lines and nets back onto the boat. For smaller squids in particular, modern fishing vessels can use advanced squid shooting systems that automate the entire process of transferring the squid from the sea to the deck. This not only saves time and boosts harvesting efficiency, but also helps protect the health and well-being of the fishermen. During the day, squids often hide deep beneath the ocean floor or in dark, rocky crevices to avoid sunlight. But when night falls, they rise closer to the surface to hunt for food and are easily drawn to the LED lights set up by fishermen. On each trip out to sea, under ideal conditions, a large fishing vessel can harvest between 70,000 to 100,000 squids in a single haul. Once the squids are brought on board, the next step is to rinse them with pure seawater to remove any impurities while preserving their fresh, natural flavor. The squids are then carefully sorted by size and quality to ensure the final product meets strict standards. To keep them fresh throughout the journey, fishermen store the squids in ice-filled foam containers before transporting them to processing plants or retail markets. At the processing facilities, workers begin by cleaning the squid, removing the head, internal organs, and ink sac to prepare them for delicious dishes. Inedible parts are carefully separated to avoid contaminating the fresh, tender meat. Once the internal cleaning is complete, the squid is thoroughly rinsed to ensure that no impurities remain. The inedible parts of the squid are not wasted. They are processed and reused in various ways to maximize resource utilization. Skilled workers perform this task meticulously, using knives and specialized cutting tools to divide the squid meat into manageable pieces. Automated cutting equipment is also applied to optimize the process, ensuring the squid is cut evenly and accurately to size. To keep the squid fresh and appealing in color, processing plants use preservatives that help maintain its freshness and natural flavor. Modern technology plays a key role in cutting the squid into various shapes and sizes to meet the diverse needs of consumers and ensure that the processing process always meets high-quality standards. After being processed, the squid pieces are neatly arranged in trays according to a specific standard, ensuring each tray is full and visually appealing. Once arranged, a plastic film is tightly wrapped around the tray, then sealed with heat before being placed in the freezer. The squid, which has undergone a thorough processing procedure, is now ready to be packaged and frozen, preserving its freshness and quality, ready to serve the market. Depending on the needs of the producer and the target market, squid can be packaged in various forms, such as vacuum-sealed bags, plastic containers, or protective trays covered with a special film. This ensures optimal preservation and makes it easier to transport the product to consumers. Squid has become an essential part of the cuisine in many Asian countries, adding variety to the dining table. In Japan, squid sashimi is loved for its natural sweetness and uniquely chewy texture. Meanwhile, in Korea, spicy stir-fried squid is a signature dish that combines fresh squid with chili peppers and vegetables, creating a bold and unforgettable flavor. The squid production process reveals the complex procedures involved in the seafood processing industry, from harvesting to final packaging. Squid fishing holds significant economic value and plays a vital role in the global seafood economy. If you're passionate about exploring the work behind the seafood processing industry, don't forget to check out my page for exciting videos and deeper insights. Squid once faced the risk of extinction, but today China has turned this marine animal into a valuable resource that greatly contributes to the nation's economic growth. Every year, up to 10 million squid are exported worldwide. Are you curious about this fascinating creature and its incredible transformation journey? Let's explore the amazing journey of this unique animal, from the brink of extinction to becoming an important economic resource. The soft-shell turtle, also known as the smooth turtle, is becoming increasingly popular in farms across China, where up to 13 million turtles are raised each year. This impressive number is a clear testament to the resilience and economic value of this unique species. With strong development, soft-shelled turtles have now become an essential part of commercial farms, and they are not only found in China, but also in many other countries. Modern farms use advanced technology to care for and raise the turtles, helping them grow quickly and healthily. Here's an interesting tidbit. Did you know that the soft shell of this turtle allows it to swim much faster and more agilely than the typical hard-shelled turtles? The reproductive cycle of the soft-shelled turtle is quite unique. Each time it reproduces, a female turtle can lay up to 40 eggs out of a total of 50 eggs. These precious eggs are carefully placed in trays with a layer of soil underneath, which helps remove the CO2 produced by the metabolic processes of the embryo, creating the ideal conditions for successful hatching. Typically, the incubation period lasts from 60 to 90 days, but thanks to scientific intervention by humans, this time has been shortened to just 30 to 40 days. Just imagine, this support has helped millions of baby turtles hatch every year, playing a crucial role in preserving this unique species. When the eggs hatch, the tiny baby turtles are gently placed into clean water containers. This is an extremely important step to protect their health and ensure their safety during the transportation process. After overcoming this challenging first journey, the baby turtles are released into vast, clear ponds. The sight of hundreds of baby turtles taking their first steps into the water will surely make your heart melt with cuteness. Here they have the ideal space to grow, mature, and live in tune with their natural instincts. The diet of baby turtles is incredibly diverse and varied, ranging from fresh fish and small insects to aquatic plants in their pond environment. In modern farms, they are even given special nutrient-rich pellets, helping them grow quickly, strongly, and healthier than ever before. After about 4 to 5 years of enjoying this rich and abundant life, the soft-shelled turtles are ready to enter adulthood, continuing their meaningful life cycle. This is also when they bring significant economic value to their breeders, greatly improving the lives of many local people. The soft-shell turtle is not only a rare and precious animal, but also an integral part of the agricultural economy in many countries. They play an important role in providing food, medicine, and various animal-based products. The development of the turtle farming industry helps create job opportunities for many people in rural areas, while also promoting turtle-based products such as turtle meat, turtle shells, and healthcare items. Once the soft-shell turtles reach the appropriate size and maturity, they are transferred to professional processing facilities. There, the turtles are handled following strict procedures to ensure food safety and the highest quality standards. Products made from soft-shell turtles, such as meat, shells, and carapaces, are processed in a variety of ways to meet the growing market demand. Soft-shell turtle meat is considered a highly nutritious food, rich in protein and beneficial minerals, and is commonly used in traditional dishes across many Asian countries. The turtle's carapace and shell also hold significant value in traditional medicine and are used in the production of healthcare products such as tonics, collagen, and dietary supplements, thereby enhancing the economic value of the turtle farming industry. Feel free to share your experience and thoughts in the comments below. Products made from soft-shell turtles have created a vibrant market, helping to increase farmers' incomes. While also contributing to both local and national economic development. Have you ever tried dishes or used products made from soft-shell turtles?